1757 degrees. We've had it in for an hour soaking. Now we're going to take it out and air cool this A2 tool steel. And it's pretty hot, boy. Cool stuff. I've got another piece in there that I'm actually annealing. But this piece here we are hardening. So now I have to unwrap it, which is not easy. Screwdriver. Piece, nice and hot. And we're going to air cool it. Just hang it on this. And once it's just a little bit hot to the touch, we'll put it in our oven at 345 degrees and draw the temper on that, tempering it so that it brings the hardness to the outside and causes the material to not crack. So this is what's called A2 tool steel, and we're air cooling it. And just the movement out in the air cools it pretty quick. You notice it's changed color already. Now it's a dull red. That's about it. Okay, this piece is cooling off. It's a crimping roller, and we made it out of A2 tool steel and put it in our heat treating furnace at 1250 degrees. Let it sit in there for, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes, and then raise the temperature to 1760 degrees. And once the piece came up to temperature, furnace was at 1760 degrees, we left it in for 1 hour, and then we just pulled it out, and now we're air cooling it. A2 tool steel is an air cooling tool steel. And then once it gets to where it's not too hot to the touch, we'll put it in our oven that's set for 360 degrees. It's still way hot, but it's cooling quickly now. So hopefully it'll be nice and hard. It's supposed to be 50 to 54. I've done them before and I've got them up to 57, 59 on the HRC scale. So we'll see how she works out.